The 112 Extreme High Performance Welders are fastest and most precise welder for long straight seams with speeds reaching up to 20 meters a minute. This machine is able to handle fabric seals quickly and efficiently, ultimately saving you time and money. The 112 Extreme is built to take your production and efficiency to the next level. With this machine, you'll virtually be able to weld any thermoplastic materials and acrylic materials. It's best used in industries such as aerospace industries, athletic mats, awnings, truck tarps, tents, roller shades, pool covers, clear span structures, and many more. The 112 Extreme was designed to handle large cut pieces of fabric. I can then line them up on my laser lines. I can lock them down in place using my vacuum tracks. Then I can make my overlap seams, my hem seams, hem and rope seams, pockets virtually of any size, along with rafter straps, very quickly and efficiently. The 112 also has a really cool feature utilizing a rotary cutter, also an optional ultrasonic cutter that will automatically cut your materials with precision. Last but not least, the Model 112 Extreme has a grommet machine option that will travel along this same welding track to eliminate dragging your products from station to station throughout your shop floor, keeping everything all on one workstation. So if you're looking to eliminate the bottleneck to your finishing your products, the Model 112 is a solution for you. This will be the last welder that you're ever going to need to buy. We look forward to talking to you, and keep in mind, this machine starts out at about $1,500 a month.